on that day we have done the different sources of water, properties of water and uses of water. Clear? जल्दी से रिवाइज करो प्रॉपर्टीज ऑफ वाटर. जशन स्टैंड अप. जशन जी बेटा बोलिए डिफरेंट प्रॉपर्टीज ऑफ वाटर. वो प्रॉपर्टीज है, यूजेस है. ओके, यूजेस मीन्स हम उसको यूज कहाँ करते हैं, घर पे, घर के बाहर, फील्ड में, और उसके क्या क्या यूजेस है. प्रॉपर्टीज मीन्स क्वालिटीज. लाइक आपकी प्रॉपर्टी क्या है, यू आर इंटेलिजेंट, ओके, यू हैव पेशेंस, लाइक दिस. ऐसे पानी की भी कुछ क्वालिटीज हैं, उसकी कुछ प्रॉपर्टीज हैं, उसके गुण अवगुण हैं. वाटर इज टेस्टलेस, वेरी गुड. स्मेललेस नहीं बोलते, हम कहते हैं ओडोरलेस. ODOUR, ओडोरलेस. It is transparent. It allows the light to pass. Not pure. It's smell aa rahi, it means it's not pure smell. It has some impurities, but pure water is tasteless, odorless, okay, colorless. Clear? And it exists in 3 states: solid, liquid, gas. ये भी इसकी एक प्रॉपर्टी है. Okay, and it freezes at 0 degrees Celsius. 0 degrees Celsius पे it turns, liquid water turns to ice, solid state, and it start boiling at what temperature? 100 degree. Okay, 100 degree पे ये boil होना start कर देता है और 0 डिग्री पे फ्रीज हो जाता है. ये भी इसकी एक प्रॉपर्टी है. ओके, एंड डिफरेंट यूजेस ऑफ वाटर. वीरपाल. वेरी गुड. वाटर इज यूज्ड फॉर ड्रिंकिंग, बाथिंग, कुकिंग. ये क्या है, इसके हाउस होल्ड यूजेस. ओके, सम अदर यूजेस आर आल्सो देयर. इट इज यूज्ड इन industries, leather industries, textile industries. Okay, many industries are based on this. Okay, water is used in for different purposes in different industries. And in the field, Japanese, it is used for farming, it is used for growing food. Okay, we irrigate the crops, means हम फसलों को पानी देते हैं. अगर अब बारिश नहीं हो, जहाँ हम ट्यूबवेल यूज करके पानी नहीं दे, तो क्रॉप्स विल नॉट ग्रो. यस हरमन, वन मोर यूज. दूसरा. वेरी गुड. इट इज यूज्ड टू प्रोड्यूस इलेक्ट्रिसिटी. इट इज यूज्ड टू प्रोड्यूस इलेक्ट्रिसिटी. डू यू नो अनदर यूज? इफ यस, देन स्पीक आउट. Yes, वो टेक्सटाइल इंडस्ट्रीज में ही आ जाता है. इट इज यूज्ड टू डाई द क्लोथ्स. नो, दैट इज के वाटर इज प्रीशियस, वी शुड सेव इट, वी शुड कंजर्व इट. उसमें रहेगा. नाउ वी हैव स्टार्टेड अनदर टॉपिक. इफ सम materials they dissolve in water and some materials are there which do not dissolve in water. Okay, and the materials which dissolve in water are sugar, salt. Okay, हम ये अब आज हम एक्टिविटी करेंगे कि if something is dissolved in water, we say some impurities are dissolved in water. How can we purify the water? How can we remove the impurities from water? Clear? So open your books, page number 122. Removal of impurities from water. On that day we have checked that sand does not dissolve in water, so it is insoluble. And some impurities like salt, etc., they dissolve in water. तो जो soluble impurities हैं, there are different methods to remove soluble impurities. And insoluble impurities means जो impurities जो particles dissolve नहीं होते, there are some methods to remove those impurities. So 122 page, removal of impurities from water.
Removal of impurities from water.
Yes, who will read? Yes, impurities from here, beta.
Removal of impurities from water. Different methods are used to remove the insoluble and soluble impurities from water. Ways to remove insoluble impurities.
Yes, अब soluble के लिए अलग में methods हैं. जो soluble impurities है उनको remove करने के अलग methods हैं. जो insoluble हैं उनको remove करने के अलग methods हैं. Okay. First of all, we will see ways to remove insoluble impurities. Yes, beta, come and read. Up triple. Please come here. Ways to remove insoluble impurities. First of all, we will talk about insoluble impurities. Yes, Tina.
Ways to remove insoluble impurities. Insoluble impurities are separated through the process of filtration, sedimentation, and
Decantation. Speak out.
decantation.
Filtration, sedimentation and decantation. Yes, सबसे पहले filtration. Read it out. Out.
Separation of insoluble impurities with the help of a strainer like filter paper is called filtration. In the process of filtration, a circular piece of filter paper is folded twice to make a cone. This paper cone is kept inside a funnel. A beaker is kept below the funnel, and a mixture with the
Insoluble impurity.
like sand or chalk is poured into the beaker. Through the funnel, the impurity is left behind on the filter paper, and clean water called filtrate is obtained in the beaker.
Yes, beta. What is there? How can we remove the insoluble impurities? First of all, name the insoluble impurities. Chalk powder, sand, mud, etc. If these are dissolved in water, so how can we remove that? Okay. For that, material requires one filter paper. What is this? We have to turn it, we have to fold it. First, we will fold it like this, one fold. Okay, twice. इसको हमने कोन में change करना. Then another fold like this. Now one layer at one side and three layers at other side. एक side 3 layers और एक side 1 layer. तो ये हमने क्या बना ली? इसकी एक कोन बनानी आती है ना आपको? But this is not a normal paper. दिखने में normal paper जैसा है, but इसमें थोड़े pores होती हैं which allows the water to pass, but impurities will not pass. एक फिल्टर की तरह काम करता है. लाइक घर पे चाय बनाती हो और जब आप उसको स्ट्रेनर के साथ उसको टी लीव्स आप सेपरेट करते हो, टी लीव्स विल रिमेन इन द स्ट्रेनर. तो चाय आप बनाती हो ना, तो टी लीव्स आर नॉट रिक्वायर्ड. These are separated from the tea. Tea passes through the holes and tea leaves left behind in the strainer. रह जाती है ना strainer में. This happens at your home daily. Daily बनती है ना चाय आपके घर पे. लेमन जूस बनाने के लिए आप लेमन स्क्वीज करते हो, देन उसमें भी समटाइम सीड्स होते हैं, तो वो भी स्ट्रेनर से आप रिमूव करती हो। ऐसे पनीर बनाती हो तो पनीर बनाने के लिए भी आप क्या करती हो, स्ट्रेनर यूज करती हो। तो सेम वे जो हम लैब में यूज करते हैं, वी यूज दिस फिल्टर पेपर। फिल्टर पेपर को पहले कोन में चेंज करना है, देन यू हैव टू यूज अ ग्लास फनल। ये क्या है? Then you have to keep the filter paper in the funnel like this. Clear? आपने जो अपनी कोन जैसी स्ट्रक्चर बनाई है फिल्टर पेपर की, you have to put it in the funnel. Okay? Then what you need? You need insoluble impurities. For that you have to take a beaker. What is this? Beaker. Beaker में आपने क्या डालना है? Water, or you have to put some impurities, insoluble impurities, like this is mud. Okay, this is mud and we have to stir it, and you can see impurities, they do not dissolve in water. Some mud particles, इसमें क्या है, बहुत सारा particles हैं which do not dissolve in water. इसमें leftover parts of plants, insect, legs of insects, many things are there in the soil. Soil में मर जाते हैं ना छोटे छोटे animals which live in the soil, leaves fall, okay, वो भी decompose हो रही होती हैं, तो parts of those leaves, twigs, then mud is there, sand is there. So all this is insoluble water. How can we separate it? By using a filter paper. Okay. For that we need a stand also. What is this? Stand. Okay. You have to keep this stand. You have to fix the funnel in the stand. Okay. To hold the funnel, we have to use this. You can put one drop of water to fix it. Okay, now you can see funnel is fixed in the stand. So this is the stand. We use it in chemistry lab. Okay, this setup is there. The picture is there in your book also. What is this? Stand, glass funnel. Glass funnel के बीच में क्या रखा हमने? Filter paper. Now this is impure water in the beaker. Impure water in the beaker. Now we will put another container under this funnel and we will put this impure water into the filter paper. Okay, you will see filter paper will allow the water to pass, but impurities will remain in the filter paper. Impurities will remain in the filter paper. Like this, I am pouring water in the filter paper. So water, it passes through the filter paper, but impurities will remain in the filter paper. Clear? So you can see clear water is there. Okay, water is clear, impurities will remain in the filter paper.